Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your Safari language. Right now, if you can see my Google offered in Netherlands or Fries, you can decide. Right now it's already in English, so if you can see in the top all and images, but we want to change this language. Then what we need to do is throw this one away, go to settings, scroll down and go to apps right here. Then click on the search bar. And then from here, search for Safari. Then click on Safari. And then from here, you can see here the option preferred language. Then click on that. And from here, you can decide which language you want to use. Alright, this is exactly how this works, because if I click now on Espanol and we go back and we go to Safari, he's refreshing it. And right now, if you can see, everything is in Espanol. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.